In this video, I want to show you the difference between the typically perceived Tai Chi yielding of rolling away someone versus using the structure of rotation, which is a more effective means of handling incoming forces. So in Tai Chi, a lot of people tend to think that, you push on me and I'll do it, is that once that incoming line comes in towards me, that I'll use my hands and guide them away. But you can see that's not really too effective. So I'll try it again. He's incoming force, and I just try to roll or yield by collapsing. So I collapse with the strength, and I try to move into the force. So that didn't work. Instead, if I just keep my structure, so this is in my course, my structure and song course, I'm keeping all my buttons connected and keeping my nose over my dantian, and I'm in that state of song. So as he's coming in, the rotation comes from my feet.
Mm-hmm.
And you see, and I'm in a bow stance, so there's a little bit of awkward rotation, but everything stayed as one piece. How was that different for you?
I lost my balance immediately.
Yeah, and you were over there.
Yeah.
Let me do it to you, and you demonstrate, because you did it really well just a second ago. So you first do it wrong, like I'm here, and the people think that Tai Chi is rolling away kind of with the arms, and it's Lu, right? So then I can just get into his center and move him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was good. It's an awkward feeling too, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Now get your elbows in front of your side seam. That's right. Your nose stays over your dantian. You have great Tai Chi posture. Your shoulder qua is over your hip qua. And then as I'm applying that force, you just rotate the whole unit, all as one piece. Try not to push, just trust the structure here. So just rotate the whole structure. Yeah, there. That was it. Wow, isn't that so much more effective?
It is very effective.
Yeah, so you had a little tendency to want to push on this side.
Mm-hmm.
You just take care of your own structure. Okay, elbow a little forward of the front seam. That's right. And you take in just, yep. And then it's the rotation of the whole body. No, your hips are leading. Rotate the whole unit. That was good. I felt that from your feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good. Yep, that'll do it.
It's really remarkable how well that works.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference.
Makes a huge difference. The common concept of rolling, taking the incoming force and rolling it off is only effective when we have our structure. Nose over dantian, shoulder qua aligned, elbows in front of the side seam, and you keep that structure. And then once I rotate, I'm just staying all connected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all connected. That's why we practice this movement, this whole body movement.